Hey fam, what's good? Welcome back to another one. All I'm asking you guys is to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I will highly appreciate it. Other than that, let's get into this beautiful pair called the NASDAQ, right? So we do know that it's currently daylight savings. I like daylight savings, low-key though. Simply because, you know what? Now I can see how the 4-hourly time frame candle has closed, right? We closed quite bull on it. If we can have a closure below this swing low right there, you know what, that will indicate that we can potentially have further continuation moves back towards the downside, right? So that's super clean, but I don't need to worry about that because I want to know what am I gonna find myself doing in the next few minutes. Okay, so I can see that we had a nice, you know what, hangman type candle over here. We filled up the wick already, so nothing much I can say on that. We do have like a small little fee value gap right there where we might potentially have some sort of an actual rejection from, as I'm expecting, you know, some sort of an actual upside momentum before potentially having that actual dip back towards the downside, right? 30-minute time frame, we can see that we had a nice higher high, currently creating that lower low. So we can look at this nice little bear candle as an actual breaker, and as we can see, once price had that close below, we never came back for an actual retest, right? So I do want to see NASDAQ have some sort of an actual push towards the upside over the course of today. But you know what, like I always say, rather be reactive than being predictive with price. So there's my daily low coming through, my daily high is currently coming through right there, 830's high. So yeah, you know, clean stuff. Let me just check here what's happening. We had a nice fee value gap, we did tap into it, we had some sort of an actual shift right there. We have a nice order block as well. We have some relatively equal lows below at our actual daily low as well. So you know what, price, you need to take out these lows over here as well, right? So currently price is not giving me the best you know what, the best outlook on what I can potentially expect for this up and coming you know what, the New York Stock Exchange. But I can see that we have some relatively equal lows over here, so we might have some sort of an actual push back down before having an actual shift back towards the upside, right? So that is something that I need to find myself having my eye out on. Okay, so I'm gonna find myself scaling down on the 1 minute, see what's happening on the 1 minute, right? Guys, listen, I'm literally showing y'all the strategy. I'm literally showing you guys like how I look at price, right, and everything, simply because if you would like to join us, right, if you would like to join our Patreon page, you know what, you know what to expect, right? You will know what to expect because this is literally the trading method, right? This is the trading method. Here we have a nice little breaker coming through as well, right there. So if we can have that actual push, multiple lows has been created over here. So if we can have that actual push back towards the downside before seeing further downside momentum, right, we can potentially see some sort of a rejection from this area, something like this. Bang. That will be dope. That will be dope. If I can go on the 2-minute, 4-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame. Cool. I'm satisfied. we wanna, are we gonna, we wanna, are we gonna, we wanna, are we gonna. All right, guys, I have some new content coming for you guys as well. You know what, stay tuned. I might drop it tomorrow, or you know what, over the course of Wednesday. Okay, these lows are being taken out. Nice. So let's wait. Almost in our point of interest. Tap. Buy. All my life. Hustle all my life. Hustle all my life. Sacrifice. Pay the price. All my life. I've been hustling all my life. You know, so yeah, would like to see that rejection from this area over here. Just be patient. Just be patient. I like that rejection. Like the rejection. I'll take profit. Take profiters. Guys, and that's how you do it. Take profit, smack. Clean stuff. Clean stuff. Thank you, NASDAQ. Thank you. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. It's me, your boy D. I'm out.